Hello, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 33. X plus y is equal to 3. To find the values of x and y from these two systems of equations. Now this we call this equation 1 and this we call equation 2. Then from equation 1, to get this x power 5 plus y power 5 is the expansion of x plus y bracket power 5, which will be equal to the power of 5 of x plus y will apply Pascal triangle formula, whereas Pascal triangle formula, it is in this form: 1 1 2 1 1 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 3 1, then 1 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 1, then 1 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5 1. So power of 5 is in the fifth level: 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll use these coefficients. So the first coefficient is 1, so here it will be x power 5, coefficient is 1, then plus the second coefficient is 5, so it will be plus 5, x power 5 here to be x power 4, then y, plus here 10, so it will be 10, x power 4 to reduce to be x power 3, then y will increase to be y power 2, then plus this 10, x power 3 will reduce, it will be x power 2, y power 2 will increase, it will be y power 3, then plus this 5, x power 2 will reduce, it will be x, y power 3 will increase, it will be y power 4, then plus coefficient is 1, so this y power 4 will increase, it will be y power 5. Then from here it will be this, which is x plus y bracket power of 5 is equal to this. We start by this x power 5 plus y power 5, so it will be this x power 5 plus this the last y power 5. So here it will be x power 5 plus y power 5, then plus this with coefficients of 5, this plus this, so it will be 5x power 4 y, then plus this 5x y power 4, then plus this with coefficients of 10, it will be 10x power 3 y square, then plus 10x power 2 y power 3. Then in the next step, in here we'll substitute x plus y. X plus y is from the second equation, which is 3, so it will be 3 power of 5 is equal to x power 5 plus y power 5. This is from the first equation, which is this 33, so it will be 33, then plus this and this 5x y is common, we take out of bracket, this divided by this, it will be x power 3 plus this divided by this, it will be here y power 3 bracket, then plus in here this and this 10x square y square is common, we take out of bracket, this divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y bracket. Then in the next step, from here x plus y is from the second equation, which is 3, so here we'll substitute 3, then it will be 3 power of 5 is equal to 33, then plus 5xy bracket x power of 3 plus y power of 3 bracket plus 10x square y square, then times x plus y from the second equation, which is 3, so here it will be times 3. Then 3 power of 5 is same as 3 power of 4 times 3, whereas 3 power of 4 is 81 times 3. So 81 times 3, this times this is 3, 3 times 8 is 24, is equal to 33, then plus 5xy bracket x power 3 plus y power 3 bracket, then plus 10 times 3 is 30, x square y square. Then from here we'll take this into this side, so we'll minus this by 33. So 243 minus 33, it will be 0, here 1, 2. So because this we take into this side, it will be negative 210. So we'll start by this, it will be 5xy bracket x power 3 plus y power 3 bracket, then plus this 30 x square y square. Then because this we take into this side, this minus this, it will be minus 210 is equal to 0. So this we call this equation 3. Then because this, from this equation 3, we'll come to substitute later the value of x power 3 plus y power 3. Then from equation 2, equation 2 it is x plus y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. To get this x power 3 plus y power 3, we'll power by 3 in both sides. So it will be x plus y bracket power 3 is equal to 3 power 3. The power of 3 of x plus y from Pascal triangle rule, it is in the third level, 1, 2, 3. So the coefficients is 1, 3, 3, 1. So in here it will be x power of 3, then plus coefficient, the next coefficient is 3, then this will reduce, it will be x power of 2, then y, plus the other coefficient is 3, this will increase, will reduce, so it will be x, then this will increase, it will be y power of 2, then plus the other coefficient is 1, so this will increase, it will be y power of 3, then is equal to 3 power of 3 is 27. Then from here to be this plus this, so as to get x power of 3 plus y power of 3. So this plus this is x power of 3 plus y power of 3, then plus in here and here 3xy is common, we take out of bracket, this divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y, bracket is equal to 27. Then from here we will substitute the value of x plus y. The value of x plus y, it is 3. So here it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to, this will take into this side, so it will be 27, then minus this which is 3xy times x plus y is 3, so bracket here 3, then it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 27, negative 3 times 3, it will be negative 9xy. So this we call this equation 4. Then we'll substitute x power 3 plus y power 3, which is this, into here in equation 3. Now we recall equation 3, it is 5xy bracket x power 3 plus y power 3 bracket plus 30x square y square minus 210 is equal to 0. I'll just write this equation 3. Then from here x power 3 plus y power 3, we will substitute this, so it will be 5xy bracket, we substitute this, it will be 27 minus 9xy bracket, then plus 30x square y square minus 210 is equal to 0. Then we take this times this. So 5 times 27, 5 times 7 is 35, go 3. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Then xy, 5xy times negative 9xy to be negative 45x square y square. Then plus this 30x square y square minus 210 is equal to 0. Then we'll start with x square y square. This negative 45 plus 30 x square, so to be negative 15x square y square. Then this to be plus 135xy, then minus 210 is equal to 0. Then this will make this positive because this is a quadratic equation in form of xy. So in here, to make this positive, this can be divided the whole equation by negative 15. So this divided by this, it will be positive 1. This and this will cancel, so it will be 1 times x square y square. So x square y square, then positive and negative, here it will be negative 135 divided by 15, it is 9. Let's multiply 15 times 9. This time this is 45, go with 4. This time this is 9 plus 4 is 13. So this divided by this, it will be negative 9. Then xy, then negative 210 divided by negative 15, it is negative 14. 15 times 14, this time this is 20, goes 2, 4, 2, it will be 6, then 5, 1. So here it will be 0, here 11, goes 1, here it will be 2, the sum. So this divided by this, it will be plus 14 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, let's write this equation, which is x square y square minus 9xy plus 14 is equal to 0. Now from this quadratic equation can be solved by grouping and factorization. Whereas the sum is negative 9, the product is 14. So it will be this as a quadratic equation in terms of xy. So here it will be x square y square, then negative 9xy is same as negative 7xy, negative 2xy. Then plus this 14 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, in here, xy is common. So we'll take xy out of bracket, this divided by this is xy, this divided by this is negative 7 bracket. In here we'll take negative 2 out of bracket, this divided by this is xy, this divided by this is negative 7 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have this xy minus 7 is common. So we take xy minus 7 bracket out of bracket, this divided by this is this xy, this divided by this is this negative 2 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas this is the first solution, xy minus 7 is equal to 0, and this is the second solution, xy minus 2 is equal to this 0. Then from here we'll take this negative 7 into this side, so it will be xy is equal to 7, and this negative 2 take to this side to be xy is equal to 2. Now we got the two solutions, this and this. Then we will use the the second equation, whereas the second equation, it is this x plus y is equal to 3. So we'll use x plus y is equal to 3, and here x plus y is equal to 3. So we'll solve by using these two equations, and here we'll solve by using these two equations so as to find the values of x and y. Now from here, in this second equation, we'll take y into this side, so it will be x is equal to 3 minus y. Then we substitute the value of x, which is 3 minus y, into here in this first equation. So it will be 3 minus y bracket times this y is equal to this 7. Then this times this is 3y, this times this is negative y square is equal to this 7. Then we take this into this side and this into this side. So it will be, this to take into this side will be y square, this to take into this side it will be minus 3y, then plus 7 is equal to 0. Then to solve this quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula to find the value of y. So it will be equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then it will be y is equal to negative b is this negative 3, then plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 3 bracket square, then minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 7, then over 2 times a is 1. Then in here it will be y is equal to this times this, it will be positive 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 square, it is 9. Here it will be negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. Then over this times this is 2. Then it will be y is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of this minus this is negative 19. Then over 2. Then here it will be y is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of negative 19 is same as square root of 19 times square root of negative 1 is I. Then over 2, we divide by 2 in this part and in this part. So we have two solutions because of plus or minus. Therefore, the first value of y is equal to, when it is positive, to be 3 over 2 plus square root of 19 over 2i. And the second value of y is equal to, when it is negative, it will be 3 over 2 then minus square root of 19 over 2i. Then from here, to find the values of x into these two values of y, we recall x is equal to, in here x is equal to 3 minus y. So from x, which is equal to 3 minus y, then it will be x is equal to 3 minus bracket y, it is this, so it will be 3 over 2 plus square root of 19 I over 2. Then it will be x is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2, it is 3 over 2. Then this negative and positive, it will be negative square root of 19 over 2i. So this is the value of x, and this for this value of y. And for here, it will be x is equal to 3 minus y, it will be 3 minus bracket, this is our y, so it will be 3 over 2 minus square root of 19i over 2 bracket. Then it will be x is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2 is 3 over 2, negative and negative to be positive, square root of 19 over 2i. Therefore, our conclusion for this solution, when it will be x comma y bracket is equal to, for here x is 3 over 2 minus square root of 19i, so y is 3 over 2 plus square root of 19i. So x comma y is 3 over 2 minus square root of 19 over 2i bracket comma 3 over 2 plus square root of 19 over 2i bracket. And for here, when x, here it is positive, here it is negative, so it will be x comma y bracket is equal to bracket 3 over 2 plus square root of 19 I over 2 comma 3 over 2 minus square root of 19 over 2 I bracket. So this, they just interchange. X for here it is y, for here x, in here it is, for here it is y, in here it is x. So these are the values of x comma y, which are the complex solution for the first solution. Now for the second solution, which is this, we'll take y into this side, so it will be x is equal to 3 minus y. So we substitute the value of x, which is 3 minus y, into here. So it will be 3 minus y bracket times y is equal to this 2. Then this time this is 3y, this time this is negative y square is equal to 2. Then you take this into this side, this you take into this side. So this will be positive y square, this will be minus, when this will take to this side to be minus 3y, then plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from this quadratic equation, this can be solved by grouping and factorization. So here to be y square minus 3y is same as minus 2y minus y, then plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here y is common, we take y out of bracket, this divided by this is y, this divided by this is minus 2 bracket. In here we take negative 1 out of bracket, this divided by this is y, this divided by this is negative 2 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here y minus 2 is common, we take y minus 2 bracket out of bracket, this divided by this is y, this divided by this is this minus 1 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas this is the first solution, y minus 2 is equal to 0, and this second solution, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here we take negative 2 into this side, so it will be y is equal to 2, and here we take negative 1 into this side to be y is equal to 1. Then we recall x is equal to 3 minus y. So I have to find the value of x. So from x is equal to 3 minus y, it will be x is equal to 3 minus y is 2. So it will be x is equal to this minus this is 1. So when x is 1, y is 2. And from here, x is equal to 3 minus y, it will be x is equal to 3 minus y is 1. So it will be x is equal to this minus this is 2. So our conclusion from this second solution, x comma y is equal to, when x is 1, y is 2. So it will be x comma y bracket is equal to 1 comma 2. And x comma y bracket is equal to 2 comma 1. So these are the other solutions, which are real solutions. So we have these two real solutions and this two complex solution. Now just to check for this 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, from our problem, which is x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 33, x plus y is equal to 3. For just this first as x comma y, x is 1, y is 2. So here it will be 1 plus 2 is 3. And for x is 2, it will be 2 plus 1 is 3. Also just to check in here, when x is 1, it will be 1 power 5 is 1 plus 2 power 5 is 32. 1 plus 32 is 33. So this proves that these all four answers are correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.